Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Life After 40. In this video, we'll be discussing a simple recipe to improve your eyesight. As we age, our eyesight can deteriorate, but there are things we can do to help keep our vision strong. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of kale, 1/2 cup of carrots, 1/2 an avocado, 1/2 a lemon, 1/2 inch of ginger root, 1/2 a banana, 1 cup of almond milk. Instructions: wash and chop the spinach and kale. Peel and chop the carrots and ginger root. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Squeeze the lemon juice into the blender. Add the chopped spinach, kale, carrots, avocado, ginger root, and banana to the blender. Pour in the almond milk. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is packed with nutrients that are essential for maintaining good eyesight. Spinach and kale are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect our eyes from damage. Carrots are a good source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a nutrient important for eye health. The avocado and banana provide healthy fats, while the lemon and ginger add a boost of flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember to drink this smoothie regularly and make other healthy lifestyle choices, such as eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and avoiding smoking to keep your eyes healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to Life After 40 for more tips on how to stay healthy as you age. Thanks for watching.